looks, simmering glances, a well-added dash of panache, and colossal talent.
Simple. Very simple. Very, very simple.
He is the single most powerful symbol of Hindi filmdom.
क्या कहने का? म्यूजिक तो बहुत अच्छी चीज होती है, गाना तो सुनाना ही पड़ेगा आपका। आती रहेंगी बहारें, जाती रहेंगी बहारें।
A man who walked into the film industry with dreams in his eyes and conviction in his heart.
कल नई कोपलें फूटेंगी, कल नए फूल मुस्काएंगे।
And went on to redefine what it meant to be an actor. The greatest and longest shining star the nation has ever seen. A phenomenon who has been a rage across generations and continues to inspire us to this day. Ladies and gentlemen, the one, the only, Amitabh Bachchan. So join us this Diwali on a very special edition of Total Recall as we salute the superstar and relive his magic with the most memorable songs picturized on the legend.
I told him, I said, you're the best thing that ever happened to Indian cinema.
I always come back a much more humbled person whenever I meet with him, whenever I work with him.
उस जमाने में उनकी जो जगह थी उससे आज करोड़ों गुना ऊपर चली गई है उसकी जगह, बट उनमें कोई बदलाव नहीं आया है। वो अपने साथियों से उतने ही प्यार से, उतने ही खुलूस से मिलते हैं, which you can't find anybody like that.
For a name that conjures up a larger-than-life image, it was a journey with humble beginnings. Born in Allahabad on the 11th of October 1942 to noted poet Dr. Harivansh Rai Bachchan and Teji Bachchan, he had an erudite upbringing. Growing up amidst poetry, theatre and art, Amitabh was always drawn towards the magical world of motion pictures. A couple of stray auditions would follow before he found himself shortlisted for a Khwaja Abbas film, Saath Hindustani. And then there was just no looking back.
I think if you want something bad enough, you'll stick with it. And obviously he wanted or enjoyed acting to the point of, wanting to do it above anything else. And he stuck with it. I think the thing that separates people who are successful from the ones who don't is the simple fact that the ones who are successful don't ever give up and they just keep going. They keep trying. That's what he did.
A few films would come by, but the proverbial break still seemed elusive.
पाँच करते करते आनंद हाथने लगा, अंत की पहली निशानी नजर आने लगी है।
Till the master craftsman Hrishikesh Mukherjee noticed the intensity in those eyes, and after some pondering, decided to cast him as the brooding doctor Bhaskar Banerjee in his stroke of brilliance, Anand, leading to an unbreakable bond between two cinematic geniuses. Replete with Salil Chaudhary's soulful strains, though not a single song was picturized with Amitabh Bachchan as its central character.
क्यों एक्सपेक्ट करती हो? जो तुम कहोगे वही मैं करूंगा। तुम हंसो तो मैं हंसता रहूं, तुम बोलो तो मैं बोलता रहूं, बात करता रहूं तुम्हारे साथ।
he did become an unforgettable part of each one of them, with his restrained yet heartwarming presence. Anand would go on to lay the foundation for a sparkling future.
Both of them are fantastic. Harish Khanna also superb, and so was Amitabh. He just stood out. There's something so distinctive about him. And all great people have that. You're not like somebody else. You're not like this person or like that person. This is so completely, he is Amitabh Bachchan. So he's a character himself. Forget the characters he plays. The biggest character he's ever played is the character he was born as. That's Amitabh Bachchan. And that's very rare. That's what stars have, They are characters first, over and above any character that you can create for them.
1973 would see him tear through the screens with a role that would etch his name in the annals of film history. As the angry young man, Zanjeer would unleash a phenomenon and leave a nation transfixed, propelling Amitabh Bachchan to the pinnacle of stardom.
In my career, he's the best actor I've worked with, and writers are very kind of people who film a lot. They say, "Arey, maine to aisa likha tha, and he should have spoken like that." These actors don't understand the meaning of my line, and they don't appreciate the nuances. We must have worked in 13 or 14 films together. I cannot say that particular line was not spoken correctly by Amitabh Bachchan. जैसे तुम ठीक समझो। जब मेरी बीवी तो समझी नहीं, जब मैं नहीं तो समझी कोई नहीं, मैं परिवार नहीं।
With a versatility that would stun millions, he would effortlessly glide from the angry young man to the bumbling professor Sukumar Sinha.
Oh, Corona! The Corona is composed of a number of thin units. The petals usually white or bright, or the more or less tubular.
1975 would see the protege team up with his mentor yet again.
Oh! Simple. Very simple. Very, very simple. देखिए, गोभी का फूल फूल होकर के भी फूल नहीं सब्जी, इसी तरह गेंदे का फूल फूल होकर
बहुत मजाक करते हैं। उस दिन करो
This time for the rollicking comedy Chupke Chupke.
ऐसा ही है, जो है वो नहीं, और जो नहीं है वो कैसे हो सकता है?
Combining with the dashing Dharmendra, Amitabh Bachchan would not only bring the house down, but would also delight us with his uproarious duet, sung by two of the greatest icons of playback singing, Mohammed Rafi and Kishore Kumar.
If you're talking about Chupke Chupke, the honesty and sincerity with which he would plunge into the comedic role is what made it funny. Very often, people, when they're doing comedy especially, they are in on the joke. Means the actor's processing this information, but the actor's telling himself that this stuff is funny and he's doing it. But the really good comedy comes from the point when the actor believes that what he's doing is something just totally sincere and honest, but the audience finds it funny. And I think that's what Mr. Bachchan did phenomenally well.
A star in all his glory. The same year would see him team up with the veteran Rishida yet again. This time, in the garb of a hapless recluse, whose life spins around when he meets his effervescent neighbor, Millie.
1, 2. जरा इनसे पूछना तो फ्लैट के साथ साथ इन्होंने पैसेज भी खरीद लिया है क्या?
देखो, ज्यादा स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश मत करो, तुम मुझे जानते नहीं हो।
मुझे आपको जानने का शौक भी नहीं।
जब मेरा
adorned with Dada Burman's magic and Kishore Kumar's vocals. Every song from Millet would touch our heart, leaving us moist-eyed.
The amazing thing about Mr. Bachchan was the fact that on the one side he was the superstar, but he was very loyal to directors, the ones who actually were with him in his tougher days and who actually gave him different kinds of roles. He was very loyal to them. Millie is a classic example. No superstar in today's time would take a second fiddle role about a guy who's an alcoholic and dealing with a troubled past, and who spends most of the movie just sitting in his room drinking. I want you to point one actor today who will take a role like that. So I think without considering what the right steps were as a superstar, he I think followed his heart, his loyalty, things like this, which made him do some phenomenal roles which other actors would not have.
Coming up, on the other side of this break, Amitabh Bachchan in all his splendor. Stay right there.
Presented by Samsung Galaxy Note 3. Design your life.
The biggest, baddest roller coaster in India. Night only at Imagica. Nissan Terrano. Powerful presence. India's and Asia's largest game manufacturer, Eticon, gearing the future. This festive season, enjoy your 17 fruit flavors. Fruit wishes from Tropicana.
दुनिया से आंखें चुरा के जहाँ अपने मन की कर सके चलो ढूंढे ऐसा कोना
जिंदगी भर हम एक ऐसी खास जगह ढूंढते हैं जिसे आप ना कह सके। HDFC होम लोन्स, अपनी जगह बनाओ। दीवारों पे निर्मला के एक्सेल नहीं लगाएंगे, उन्हें कुछ तो लगाना पड़ेगा। तो एक्सेल वाले उनके लिए तो बस पेंट ही काफी है। कांसा की जापानीज टेक्नोलॉजी से बना एक्सेल। लो भाई, लो, आप भी लो। ये क्या? पोल्यूशन मास्क। I'm not wearing it. यार इसमें तो मेरी शक्ल ही नहीं दिखेगी। क्या करे? टीवी की पिक्चर में पोल्यूशन होता है ना? पोल्यूशन है क्या? अपने टीवी के सिग्नल से पोल्यूशन हटाओ। Demand to have video content must be HD. So the cleanest, freshest, clearest picture. अब एयर में पोल्यूशन होना हो, ऑन एयर नहीं होगा।
Come on.
2007 call. They want your camera phone back.
How's this for a drama shot?
But then they'll give me a 1020. They got the updates in the house. Meet the Nokia Lumia 1020 with 41 megapixels and reinvented zoom. Nothing else comes close. The journey that would change the world of construction began in France. 180 years on, Lafarge is the leader in building materials today, pushing the boundaries of research and innovation in over 60 countries. Now in your city,
the world's most trusted building materials company, builds the way the world does with the world's leader in cement, Lafarge.
Hi.
हेलो, who's this? मैंने परसों कार्टून के लिए अप्लाई किया था ना, अप्रूव हो गया। कार्टून? हाँ, कल आपका बर्थडे है ना, हैप्पी बर्थडे।
यूनियन बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में लोन एप्लीकेशंस को मिले फास्टर प्रोसेसिंग और प्रोएक्टिव फॉलो। हाँ, क्योंकि आपके सपने सिर्फ आपके नहीं। पैसे बढ़ाने में बहुत मदद लगती है, चाहे और गोल्ड, शेयर्स, म्यूचुअल फंड्स या इंश्योरेंस। इसलिए मैं सुनता हूँ सिर्फ अपने दिमाग की, ताकि फैमिली की खुशियों के लिए मैं सुनूं सिर्फ अपने दिल की। हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी एसएमसी, इंडिया का अवार्ड विनिंग ब्रोकर जो रखे आपके निवेश का ख्याल। एसएमसी, मनी वाइज, बी वाइज।
सबसे सुहाना